Check this out.
Uppercut cross, 4 count, 2 right hooks. So the right foot goes forward, the right pad goes down, and the left pad comes up. Yeah? Uppercut cross. So it's right uppercut, left cross, right uppercut, left cross, 2 right hooks. Lifting the elbow high, 1, 2. So again, 4 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 count, 1, 2. Real time. Left foot forward, so you've got 40 seconds on the other side, left foot forward, left pad down, right pad up, again uppercut cross, so it'll be a left, right, 2 hooks.
Check this out.
Narrow squat jumps. So the low version is sitting back on the heels and just sitting back. Keep the chest up and the elbows go behind you. So you sit back and exhale on the way up. Yeah. Level 1, level 2 is a little jump and you're powering up. Keep the chest high, sitting right back and jiving up. Plank to push up. There's several variations, but the low variation is on the knees. You've got to start on your knees, elbows inside the mat, start in plank position, chest forward, shoulders forwards. You go from plank, hands outside the mat, and just do 1 push up. And elbows inside the mat, keep walking back out, and 1 push up. You can alternate it. Yeah, right elbow first, and then left elbow. Yeah, next version up is to do it straight from the plank. So from the plank, straight to hands and just power up. So it's boom, 1 push up. But you have to walk back down, yeah? So power up and then walk back down. Now you can do a harder version on the toes. Yeah, and you can start off just walking up, doing 1 push up. Alternating it. Or you can power up. Tense his core. Shuffle half burpees. With the low version, it's just both feet out, hands on the inside, keep your chest up high, both hands on the inside, step 1 foot back, then the other foot back, and then step it back outside the hands, and then keep the chest up as you shuffle to the side, yeah? And do the same thing again on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just shuffle back, staying low, so you're working max on the legs. But the big version is just both feet back, both hands in, jump out, shuffle. Staying low, so you're working max on the legs. jab cross 7 count, 4 left uppercuts. So your right foot is forward, and again both hands forward, pushing forward, 7 count, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4 uppercuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the pads away from your face and pushing down, about chin height. Again 7 count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Real tight. Left foot forward. You've got 40 seconds on each side. Left foot forward. It's a left, right this time, and it's 4 right uppercuts. It's off from the rear, good uppercuts. Left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 7. Forward back style jumps. With the low version, it's just squatting back. Make sure your hands are crossing over each side and you're just reaching up. So you sit back and then you reach. Yeah. So sitting back on the heels, chest up. Yeah. Inhale on the way down and you exhale on the way up. The high version is just a little jump. So you're just jumping up. Normal style jump, a little bit. Plyo, chest up, power up if you want. In the high version, when you jump forward, you've got to lean forward. When you jump back, you lean forward. So when you're jumping forward, lean forward as you sink low, and then jump back and lean forward. So you're sitting right back on the heels, going low as you can, driving up low, drive up low. Fighter pop-ups. The hard version is quite intense, but most people will go with the low version. So the low version is both hands on the floor, like a push-up position. Yeah, you probably start in the push-up position here. Your right foot, whatever foot, goes outside the hand. Yeah, and you land on the ball with the foot. Now use your legs to bring yourself up into a fighting stance. Yeah, and then both hands come back down. Jump both feet back out, and the other foot jumps outside the hand. Ball the foot. And then you're lifting up. Yeah, keeping the chest up as you come up. Try and use your legs as much as possible. Yeah, so just from here, jumping out, jumping in into a fighting stance, hands on the floor, both feet out, fighting stance. With the big version, is jumping straight to your feet into a squat. Now the flat of the foot goes on the floor this time, so from here, boom, into a squat. Obviously 1 foot forward. You're going to switch it next time around, both feet back, other foot into a fighting stance. Yeah. Now the harder version is straight on the floor, chest on the floor. Yeah, and straight, coming straight up with your feet. Both feet on the floor. You're getting all the way down, and you're powering up using the arms straight on the feet. Tricep blasters, great exercise for the back of the arm. Use your mat for the instructional. So the mat is, the same width as where your hands should be. So use your mat, hands inside the mat. You start your normal tricep push up, so the elbows will be inside the mat as well. Elbows will run past your ribs on the way down and on the way up. Yeah, inhale on the way down, on the way up. Now the blaster involves going back as well, so the elbows come inside the mat, yeah, you've got to bend the arms 90 degrees, fingers off the floor, and you pivot on the palm of the hand, yeah. So you go forward, then you go back. When you go back, you've got to lift your hips up, yeah. So you forward, and then back. Forward, and back. Tricep blaster, yeah. Now the harder version is to go on your toes. So you start with a normal, you can get rid of the mat. So you go on the toes, hands below the shoulders, like a normal tricep push-up. As you come back, you bend your knees, and the elbows touch the floor, and the knees just almost touch the floor. So chest forward, and back. Chest forward, and back. Last round, round 5, it's just jab cross in for 40 seconds, and you've got 100 to 150 punches. If you want it strong, you want nice strong punches, you don't want fast punches. You don't want fast punches like this when you go, yeah, there's no power in it. You want to go strong, you know, 1, 2, 1, 2 as strong as you can. Make every punch count, yeah? When you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yeah, that's how you're going to go, yeah? You're going to count it in tens. It's an easy way to count in tens. So the pad holder, both hands up, and count in tens. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,